Please open your favorite web browser. Once your web browser is open, move your cursor to the address bar and type in www.payrollsolutions.info. Located on the top right corner of our website, you will find the Login button. You may also use the Client Toolkit in the purple lettering or the CTK logo. For training purposes, please use the CTK logo. There are a few different types of logins. Your type of login is based on what services you have here with us at Payroll Solutions. Let's review what's available. Single accounts, also known as the manager login. This login is used for our clients that have one account with us. Clients with multiple accounts would be asked to use our multiple account login, which is also known as the super user. When using the multiple login, you may obtain access to all of your accounts from this one login area. Employee login. With special setups, clients can allow their employees to have certain access to their personnel and payroll records. Employees can change their phone number, address, and print their check stubs. Company documentation may be available to print, such as handbooks, if your company has set up this access. Supervisor TAMS. This is the Time and Attendance Management System that's an online electronic solution that works in tandem with the CTK and various types of clocks to choose from. Employee Time Clock. This allows your employees easy access to clock in and out from anywhere you have an internet connection. Payroll Solutions will set up each authorized computer. Now that we've gone through the many facets of Payroll Solutions portal login page, we are ready to log in. For training purposes, we will use the Single User Manager account. Please click on the Single User line. Prior to your CTK training, you are provided a username and a password. You will want to enter those both here. Then click the Login button. Welcome to the main page of your account. As you can see, there are many categories located on the left. To get started, click on the Administration button. The first subcategory is Password. Use this page to change your password. Simply type in your current password, then your new one twice. When you have finished defining the new password, click on the Save button on your lower right. Once you have gathered your hours and you're ready to submit your payroll, please click on the Payroll Entry button. The subcategory Batch Timesheet Entry will appear. This is the area you will enter your payroll information. Use this page to enter or edit open timesheets. To view or edit an existing timesheet, select the timesheet from the drop-down list in the Select One field. Choose your next payroll batch that you would like to work on. This is your batch timesheet. Your employees' names will appear here on the left, with a maximum of 15 per page. In this demo, we have several columns with different pay codes. Payroll Solutions can customize these columns to fit your company's needs. To enter your time for your hourly employees, click on the zeros. Enter your time and click the Save button. As you will see, your time is stored for that employee. If your company prefers to have more details with your payroll entry, please use the Detailed Hours and the Detailed Amount columns. Click on the zeros and a new detail screen will appear. This is your detailed screen. This is where you would enter your employees' detailed hours. Click on the New Detail Row button on the lower left. As you can see, a new detail row will appear. This is where you would want to enter your employees' detailed hours. You may change your pay code, change your pay rate, and add any project codes your company may use to allocate your payroll. I have completed two other detailed examples. One is a 40-hour certified payroll entry, and the other is a $150 bonus entry. Once your detailed entries are complete, please click your Continue button. Your timesheet details have now been updated. Your detailed hours and your detailed amounts will now appear in those columns. Please click on your Report Batch button. The summary sheet will provide you your totals of your payroll entries. You may export this sheet to an Excel spreadsheet by clicking the Open Spreadsheet button. As part of your payroll process, we request that you email your payroll administrator a copy of this report prior to submitting your payroll. To return to your batch timesheet, simply click the X in the right corner of this screenshot. Now that you've completed your payroll entries, you may print your report for batch report. Payroll Solutions has designated one dedicated payroll administrator to your account. This allows you to have personal conversations with the same processor each payroll. By clicking the Payroll Notes button, you may create individual payroll notes that your payroll administrator must read prior to processing your payroll batch. Please click on the Payroll Notes button to enter a note for your processor. This is your payroll note area. To create a new payroll note, click on the New Note button on the lower right. In this area, you can type your message to your payroll administrator and click the Save button. As you can see, your notes will be saved for your payroll administrator to review. It looks like we're ready to submit your payroll. Let's review. You have entered all of your hours and detailed amounts for this batch and saved your entries. You have printed yourself a copy of the summary batch report and emailed it to your payroll administrator, and you have created any payroll processing notes for your payroll administrator. If you have completed all of these tasks, then you are ready to submit your payroll. Please click on the Submit Batch button. Your payroll batch has now been submitted for processing. Employee maintenance. There are many categories under this field. Let's get started by adding a new employee. Please click on the New Hire button. This is the New Hire screen. Please enter your new hire's information in the blank fields and use the drop-down menus that are provided. When you are complete, please click the Continue button. The value of the standard hours field must be the number of hours that make up a pay period. For example, if the employee will be part of a biweekly pay group, enter 80 hours. If they will be part of a semi-monthly pay group, enter 86.67 hours. If you wish for your employee's hours to automatically show on your timesheet, click the Auto Pay box and enter the Auto Pay hours. When you are finished, click on the Continue button. To terminate an employee, please click on the subcategory Employee Termination. Click on the Lookup button and select from the drop-down menu the employee's name you wish to terminate. Type in the termination date and select a termination reason. Check the Rehire box if the employee is eligible for rehire. Please note, if left blank, this employee will not appear in the Rehire subcategory. When you are finished with your entries, please click the Continue button to store your updates. To change the rate of an employee, please click on the Pay Rate Change button. Click on the Lookup button and select from the drop-down menu the employee's name you wish to change. The current pay rate information will appear. To edit the pay rate, enter the new rate and the effective date. This screen also provides a history of your employee's pay changes. To make a job change for an employee, please click on the Job Change button. Click on the Lookup button and select the employee's name from the drop-down menu. Select the new job code from the drop-down menu and enter an effective date. When you are finished with your entries, please click the Continue button to store your updates. Employers who wish to track their employees' absences, please click on the Leave of Absence button. Click on the Lookup button and select the employee's name from the drop-down menu. Enter the employee's leave effective date, enter the reason code, and planned return date. When you are finished with your entries, please click the Continue button to store your updates. To reactivate an employee who has been on a leave of absence, please click on the Reactivation button. Click on the Lookup button and select the employee's name from the drop-down menu. Enter the reactivation status and the reactivation date. When you are finished with your entries, please click the Continue button to store your updates. To rehire an eligible employee, please click on the Employee Rehire button. Click on the Lookup button and select the employee's name from the drop-down menu. Enter the rehire status, the rehire date, and the rehire reason. When you are finished with your entries, please click the Continue button to store your updates. If you wish to change the status of an employee, please click on the Status Type Change button. Click on the Lookup button and select the employee's name from the drop-down menu. Enter the status code, the type date, and the reason code. Please note, when you change an employment type from full-time to part-time or vice versa, the benefit enrollment for that employee remains the same. Please notify Payroll Solutions to change any benefit group. When you are finished with your entries, please click the Continue button to store your updates. To create or modify the data record of an employee's personal information, please click on the Personal Information button. Click on the Lookup button and select the employee's name from the drop-down menu. Enter or edit the changes to your employee's personnel record and click the Save button. To make changes to an employee's work assignments, please click the Work Data Record button. Click on the Lookup button and select the employee's name from the drop-down menu. Use this page to create or change a record that represents the employee's work assignments. You may also add miscellaneous information such as recording when your employees have received their handbooks and performance review dates. When you are complete with all of your entries, please click on the Save button. Employee inquiries. These subcategories are for viewing only. Please click on the Payroll Summary button. Click on the Lookup button and select the employee's name from the drop-down menu. The Payroll Summary page provides a listing of an active employee's payroll history, and you may also review the year-to-date summaries for pay, deductions, and tax codes. To review your employee's check history, please click on the Check History button. Click on the Lookup button and select the employee's name from the drop-down menu. With this screen, you'll need to select a year. Use the drop-down list and the year field. Click on the Go button. The Check History page lists the paychecks for the selected employee within the selected year. To view the check in detail, click on the date highlighted in blue. The earning details for the check date will appear. You may print the check stub or print the details only. To view an employee's personal information, please click on the Employee Overview button. Click on the Lookup button and select the employee's name from the drop-down menu. This page provides an overview of an employee's personnel, emergency contact, and employment information. You will not have access to change the employee's information in this area. Company codes. If your company requires payroll allocations, please click on the Project Code button. To create a new project code, click on the New Code button. Enter the code itself, enter the code's description, and click on the Save button. Payroll Batch Report. To view your payroll batch reports with your employees' information, please click on the Payroll Batch Summary button. By clicking on the blue highlighted batch number, you will generate the employee's detail for that batch. And by clicking on the voucher number, you will bring up the tax detail for the employee's check. You may also export to an Excel spreadsheet or email these reports. Employers wanting to review or reprint processed payroll invoices, please click on the Invoice Summary button. By clicking on the blue highlighted batch number, you will generate the invoice detail for that batch. You may also export to an Excel spreadsheet or email these reports. To create payroll reports, please click on the Payroll History Report button. There are various types of payroll reports listed here. Payroll Solutions may be able to create and customize payroll reports to fit your company's needs. Please talk to your payroll administrator if you have a need for a customized report. Let's create a report. For an example, I will select the Employee Register report. Choose an output type. Check the box for active only or all employees to be processed, and choose a sort field from the list. When you are complete, please click the Save button. The report status screen will appear. A coffee cup will appear along the side of the report you have chosen. The letter P will flash until the report is ready to print. Once complete, the letter C will appear. To print your report, please click on the HR Reports to the left and click the subcategory Report Status button. HR Reports. If you have created reports through Payroll History Reports, they are ready to print. Please click on the Report Status button. On this screen, you will see the report that you created in the Payroll History Report area. But now there's a letter C on the coffee cup. This means your reports are complete and ready to print. Please click on the blue highlighted title. The PDF file download box will appear. Please click on the Open button. The report you created will appear. Employee listing. The reports included under this menu tab allow you to create and view certain reports instantly. When you click on each menu option, the system performs the corresponding query and generates the results. Let's get started with the employee roster. General employee information will appear. You may click on the employee's ID highlighted in blue for individual employee screens. Let's look at the employee census. This report provides confidential information for each employee. The employee census report is often used for benefit enrollment purposes. You may export to an Excel format or email these reports. For general documents, please click on the General Docs button. Payroll Solutions has applied some common forms in this area that your company may find useful, such as the I-9 and the W-4. All forms are printable by clicking the highlighted title. External links. Please click on the External Links button. Your company may use this page as a resource for financial, medical, and other services that are available through your employer. If your company has set up access to the employee login area and you would like to create a memo for your employees, please click on the Memo Maintenance button. Use this page to create memorandums. You can define a memo to be broadcasted throughout the company or to particular users. To add a new memo for the broadcasting, simply type in the text in each field in the New Memos tab. You must select the name of the employees to whom the memo will be sent to. When you are complete, please click on the Send button. Please click OK. You can read memos that have been broadcasted and edit them if necessary by clicking on the Read Memos tab. Click on the date and your memo will appear. You may edit or delete your memos. Swipe clock. This option takes you to our time and attendance system. If you are interested in using our system or for additional training in this area, please contact us at Payroll Solutions or click the Swipe Clock training link found on our website.